Good afternoon. Today is Saturday. Time is 12 p.m. Sydney time. The date is 9 of the 10. I'm going to actually trade the three coins, which is Bitcoin, also Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. In 5 minutes time frame. The reason I choose the 5 minutes time frame is just because I'm recording. This system we use, we can do any time frame from 1 minute to any time frame, even to 1 month, 1 week, day, or whatever. These two red line is our selling zone. Actually, I find them in past the selling zone with the pattern. Combination of the pattern with the support and resistance. That's how we do it. And then we have a system, we call it pilot fish system. We actually, my friend is a computer programmer. He actually make the software and he put all the data on that, and there is so many things on that software. When the software give us the permission to sell or to buy, then we enter to the market. We are in the selling zone at the moment. Maybe you're telling me for previous video I said to you under 60 moving average is a buying zone. Yes, but I choose another time frame and I find a level, so that's why I change it to the 5 minutes only, just to trade them for the video that I'm going to upload. That's the reason you see that it is under, but normally when we are above the 60 moving average is a selling zone. So I'm waiting for the software to give us the permission to sell it. At the moment I don't have any permission to sell yet. I stop the video, then when I come back, then actually I'll show you when we enter to the market. One thing that you should know, this red line and blue line is a bidding price and asking price. You have to have this on your chart, because if you don't have it, then you have a level to sell. For example, you are aiming to sell in this level and you enter here and market come close, the candlestick would touch and the platform would not close your account, and then you get upset. The reason is that because the asking price and bidding price now it has to actually touch the level too, not only candlestick. That's the reason so many people are actually making mistake. They think if the candlestick touch the level it has to close, but you can close it manually. But if you don't are at the computer and you put the stop loss and take in profit, if this tool asking price does not touch your level, the platform would not close your account. And always please use the pair or any coin that this gap is a smaller. For example, this one Bitcoin Cash is big. Why I choose it as just for the purpose of the video. Actually I'm going to sell it as well. For this one Bitcoin is a smaller, Ethereum is a little bit bigger, so you pay more commission. So if it's bigger, then you pay more commission. If it's closer to each other, so it's less commission. The broker I use for the Bitcoin is a small. I'm not saying which broker because I don't want to promote any broker as yet, and I don't want to confuse you guys. To choose a broker is your responsibility. You study yourself. So I stop the video, and then when I get the permission to sell, I'll come back to you. Okay guys, for the Bitcoin I have a permission to sell. I'm gonna put lot maybe 3. I should do this before. Okay, I sell it. I don't have enough money. Okay, we just put maybe 10 lots, sell it. I put the stop loss 10 pip above here. Let me see, 10 pip above here would be around how many pip? 7. This much would be 1001. Around this area. put a stop loss, and then the taking profit is here. Put them here, first one and the second one. Let's see if I have for other for Ethereum as well or not yet. For Ethereum I don't have permission yet. Let me see for the Bitcoin Cash if I have any. Not yet. Only Bitcoin we had the permission to sell it. We entered to the market. Let me explain to you now what I'm doing. This software is showing me how much I am in the loss at the moment, how many pips. When the market goes under my entry point, then it gets green. There is a possibility that we go and hit the stop loss. It doesn't matter. When you hit the stop loss, because market is full of surprise and we are not 100% accurate. The software we use, it calculate all the volume and all other things, related to this trade, and also on that platform how many people are actually trading and how many people are in the market at the time. And there are so many other things that the data goes through it. Market, the software did not give us the permission to sell here or there. It gave us the permission to sell here, but we have to have a stop loss. We cannot actually enter to the market without any stop loss. So we put a stop loss above 10 pip above this. For the coin is any crypto, 10 pip is a bit difficult, but for the currency is easy to find 10 pip. Market would come down around this area, touch this first taking profit and then second taking profit, and then we can actually continue going under if the software let us to continue the selling. But if the software tell us no, it's time to get out, so we get out the market around this area or this area. Normally myself, when I trade, I just in this I take the profit and then go out of the trade, so I don't want to be greedy. As I said to you before, when it goes to the when we enter to the market here, then the software will show us green, which is mean that we are in the profit, or when it's in red, it means we are in the actual loss. So I'm just gonna put this one away. So let me look at the other. Ethereum still is not showing us to sell it, and also Bitcoin Cash is still not give us the permission to sell, but Bitcoin was actually show. When I'm talking to you, I look at my other computer as well, because the software we actually uploaded in other computer, because we cannot upload it on the platform. Any M4, M5, Meta 5, if we want to actually download that software, it would hang, and we have to uninstall it and then install it again, and it would not actually, because there is so many data going through. So that's why we have two computers next to each other, and that software on the other computer with big memory, it goes through all the data and tell us when to buy, when to sell. So with the Bitcoin in 5 minutes time frame, today Saturday 12:15 p.m. Sydney time, I'm just uploading this video. My friend, I have to say this, many traders actually, when they have educational video, they go through the past and then they show you some pattern in a past, and then they say that pattern it works, but some of them it works, but not all of them. But not many traders actually trade on live and show you. I'm not saying there are not. There are some people they do live educational thing, and I don't classify myself as a teacher to teach. Whatever I'm telling you is just by experience. not many people actually do the live trading to show the system that people they have, it works. They go through the history and then show people, in the history some pattern, and then they show and they actually cherry pick and show all those patterns it works in the past. But the pattern actually works in live account is different. So this is live, as you can see. Market is what time is it? On the chart is 4:15, but the Sydney time is 12:16 p.m. Yeah. So you might say Saturday market is closed. You are right. For the currency is closed, but for the crypto, for the coins, Saturday, Sunday, at the moment, the platform I'm using, it allows us to actually trade. I cannot trade currency on this platform on Saturday, Sunday, but crypto, yes, I can do that. So I stopped the video and let me check my other computer if we have any permission for the Ethereum now. And for the Bitcoin Cash, still I don't have permission to sell it, but it was only for Bitcoin. So I stopped the video when we hit the target, then I come back to you. And if you hit the support, stop loss, then I come back to you again. So we will see. The reason I stopped the video is because the file on the video goes a lot, and then it would be difficult for me to upload it on the YouTube. I stop and then I come back to you. Now for the Ethereum, I got the permission to sell. I don't know if I sell this lot because I might be out of the money, so I sell it with a small lot. And for the Bitcoin Cash, same thing. I'm gonna sell it again, small lot, because we have to sell this one too. Okay, now I put the stop loss 10 pip above here, which are on this area. Just do it quickly, not accurate. And then the taking profit would be here. For this one, taking profit would be here for the Ethereum and also Bitcoin Cash, and also we have 3 trade now running. Hopefully, if I don't get out of the money, then I will come back to wait and see, because this account I have is not with money on that. I just use it for the recording. So let me come back to you. As I explained to you before, now in Bitcoin we are in the profit is green, but in Ethereum and Bitcoin Cash we are not. But can you see, this is our entry, and candlestick is under it because of the commission. This two bidding price and asking price are too far, so the platform takes so much commission. That's why it doesn't go green unless even the price is under the entry. You see this candlestick is under entry, but it still is black because of the commission is too high for the Ethereum. Same thing for the Bitcoin Cash, but the Bitcoin itself, because it's small, so it shows, because our entry was actually here, and we are far away. If you're not greedy, you can close it now, but this is just for the educational purpose, and that's why I'm leave it. As soon as you touch our level, you can go to this and then close it manually, or when the bidding and asking price hit your level, the platform you use automatically, it doesn't matter, MT5, MT4, or any broker you use for, I don't want to mention any broker's name, MT5, MT4 platform, when this asking price hit your level, it would close it. Let's see, and I'll come back to you. The reason I just stopped the video because the file it gets too long, so I don't want to get too much, and then I would not be able to actually upload it on the YouTube. Pause it and come back to you. One thing I have to mention that is this, you might say to me, what is pilot fish system? The pilot fish system actually is like we actually catch the breathing of the market, market going up and down, when it goes up, breathing, coming back up. So we actually come across with this idea to catch that breathing. So I know this is support, but most of the time support will be retested. So this pilot fishing is it goes through the retesting the market. That's why we trade the retesting the market opposite of whatever everybody does. So this is new way that we actually trade. So hopefully in future I would explain more about all this system and the level support and resistance with the pattern, with the buying zone and selling zone. The Bitcoin now is close to hitting the level. You can actually close it manually if you touch. It's up to you, but you can leave it. The software would tell us when to get out the market, but this level is just for the taking profit for first one and the second one. So at the moment, as you can see now, Ethereum is on the profit is green. It's still Bitcoin Cash because of too much commission they take, so it's not yet on the profit. Unless even we enter here, as you can see, and the candlestick is long, but still we are not in the profit because of too much commission. So I pause the video and come back to you again. Can you see that actually Bitcoin Cash hit our level in the candlestick, but it's still it's funny because of too much commission. Still we are not in the profit, although we are under our entry. As I have mentioned to you in the beginning of the video, always choose the pair they have a small commission, asking price and bidding price. So the Bitcoin is close to touch already. Bitcoin Cash touched the level, but we will wait to see when it goes to the green. I might close it manually because it's too much commission on this one. So I now see Bitcoin touch the level. I can go on this and look and I close it, but I just leave it just to show you when the asking and bidding price touch the level, then platform would automatically close your trade. Otherwise, you have to have taken price and asking price, and also stop loss and everything. In case of the red news, then market would actually jump and you lose your account if you don't have a stop loss. So as you can see, asking price is coming to the level and close by itself. So we are on the profit, but our software still is not telling us to close it. I just did this for making this video. Still I could be actually in the trade, and still I don't have the permission to get out of the market yet. Still I could be on the profit. Now we go to Ethereum. We just put the Ethereum just to see what's going on with the Ethereum. I'm going to put this one away to make it more okay. As you can see, our intake here for the Bitcoin Cash. I'll show you the Bitcoin Cash. But because of too much commission, still I'm not in the profit. It's 0 pip. It's a joke. So you have to choose the platform or broker that they have less commission. But this one, see, it touched our level, but asking price and bidding price did not touch. So we will wait just to see if it's gonna touch our level or not. When I watch I always watch YouTube educational things on the online, and sometimes it's very funny because some people, they go and they trying to do live account and they are very panic, and they are scared and they think they are going to lose. If your system works, you should not be panic, because each time you go on loss, you have to have a plan. If this one goes above here and take my stop loss, I'm not worried because there is another plan, and then I can sell it again. So again, if you are on the computer and you're not greedy. As soon as you touch your level and this is green, you go only here and close your account. I can close now, still to show you how to close it. So just go this and close. I don't want to close. I want to show you market will come and hit this level of the selling zone that we have on the past, and then I will come back to you. You see this one, still it does not show any profit yet, although we touch our level, but unfortunately, because of too much commission on this broker, still we are in the loss, although we passed the our selling zone. Let's see. I pause the video and come back to it again. I have to say this. Look, my selling zone is here, and market came, the candlestick touch, but the software did not close it, and as I said to you, the commission is too high, and when I get my stop loss, and this one, because of the asking price and bidding price, the commission is too high. So as soon as you get to this, and you have to actually get out the market, because that was your aim. So we going to Ethereum now. The Ethereum is on the profit, and because market is very too volatile now, we just go like this and they close it. You close with a profit, you don't close with a loss. The Ethereum, the Bitcoin Cash was on loss, but as you can see, the Bitcoin itself, I made the money. It comes to here, and I just make that. And Ethereum, we make money. It's a small profit, but with the Bitcoin Cash, as I said to you, because of the commission too high, we went and get a stop loss, although it touched our level. So I stop this video. Hopefully you understand what I'm doing, and if you have any question, put it in the comment. Thank you.